Hey guys, so to change the aperture, it's like super simple. All you have to do is press and hold the AV button. And while you're going to press and hold the AV button, then you just want to use the dial in the front, like the wheel, and then you just want to scroll it. That's it. So again, you are going to have the AV button. You want to press and hold it. And while you're going to press and hold it, you just want to turn on the dial. I just want to make this like the most quickest video on this planet of Earth. They call me a flash tutorials, and yeah, that's how you're gonna do it. So you can leave this video now. I just have to make it for another 30 seconds, so I'm going to get better ranking for YouTube search, because if this video would be only 30 seconds, then probably you wouldn't even see this video. But if this video is going to be 1 minute plus, then YouTube is going to see this as it's a worth video to be in a search, and it's going to put it higher, and also you're going to find this in Google search. So that's how it works. The game of YouTube tutorials. Have a great day and goodbye.